Hello, good morning to one and all. In this video we are going to see regarding the homologous parts of the limb, how we can relate the upper limb to lower limb. So we'll be writing here as upper limb and here lower limb. So we are going to relate upper limb with lower limb. So in upper limb, first is shoulder girdle, and when we see in the lower limb, it is hip girdle. Upper region shoulder girdle, coming to the lower limb, it is related to hip girdle, homologous. And here it is shoulder joint, secondly it is coming shoulder joint, and in lower limb it will be hip joint. Third point in the upper limb is arm with humerus, bone. Similarly in the lower limb it is with thigh with femur, bone. So in upper limb humerus bone is coming, in lower limb femur bone is coming. Arm with humerus, thigh with femur. And the fourth point in the upper limb is the elbow joint. When we compare from the lower limb, it is compared to the knee joint, homologous with knee joint. So in the upper limb it is the elbow joint, homologous with the lower limb it is knee joint. Next is the fifth point, that is forearm region. In forearm region it is having two bones, that is radius and ulna. In lower limb it is leg, forearm. Here it is leg with again two bones are there in the lower limb, that is tibia and fibula. Sixth point in the upper limb is the wrist joint, and compared in the lower limb it is the ankle joint. Seventh point in the upper limb is hand. So in hand only three categories are there, A, B, C, that is I had told earlier also carpus, 8 carpal bones are there. Next is metacarpus and digits. Digits is same in both, 5 digits are there. So coming to the lower limb, it is having foot with A, B and C. It is known as tarpus. In upper limb it was carpus, here it is tarpus, and next is the metatarpus and 5 digit, which is common in both. So these were some of the correlation of the upper limb to the lower limb, homologous part. It is not a comparison, it is a homologous part. So in upper limb, what is homologous with what in the lower limb? So in upper limb it is shoulder girdle compared with hip girdle, shoulder joint. In lower limb it is hip joint. Arm with humerus, only one bone in the arm region, that is humerus, and in the thigh region only one bone, that is femur. Forearm region radius and ulna is here, leg region tibia and fibula is here. One joint is there, elbow joint, here knee joint is here. Again one more joint, the wrist joint, here ankle joint. In the hand 3 category, in the foot also 3 category, in which 5 digits are common. Carpus and metacarpus coming in the upper limb, tarpus and metatarpus coming in the lower limb. These were some of the homologous parts of the limb.